What if I told you that big tech companies can have their computers literally catch fire and your data will still be perfectly safe? Here's how they do it. They use a clever design called a distributed file system, like Hadoop's hdfs. Imagine you have a massive file, way too big for one computer. hdfs chops that file into smaller, manageable blocks. But here's the magic. It doesn't just save one copy of each block, it makes 3. Now, who keeps track of all this? There are 2 key players. First, you have the name node. Think of it as the master brain, or the librarian. It doesn't store the data itself, but it knows exactly where every single block is located. Then you have the data nodes. These are the worker computers, the bookshelves that actually hold the blocks of data. But the real genius is where it places those 3 copies. The first copy is placed on a computer nearby for speed, but the other 2 copies, they're sent to a completely different server rack. This means if an entire rack of computers fails, maybe a power outage or a network switch breaks, your data is still safe on a different rack. It's fault tolerance by design. So you have a master brain telling worker computers where to store multiple, smartly placed copies of your data. That's the secret to storing massive amounts of information with ever losing it. Want more tech secrets explained this simply? Smash that subscribe button and drop a comment below.